Just revise briefly morning topic means numericals. Good evening all. Here are revising morning topic. So is it visible? Is it visible to all? Yes. See here. Yesterday we discussed a few questions from this level. And also here is a HR1, R2, just a conceptual part. Revise that. Similar question given. And I have given the homework for 12, 13, 14, 15, and 8, 9, 10. Straight questions. 16 also I have given to you. 18 also. So you people needed to solve them. And now you see the question number 24, matrix type questions. Two only given here, only two. So you get some idea of both now. See, a column of alcohol is raised in the capillary tube of internal radius r 0.6 millimeter. The lower meniscus of the column hangs from the bottom end of the tube. Match the height h of the column given the column number 2 with the radius of curvature capital R of lower meniscus given in the column 1. Consider the wetting is completely surface tension of the alcohol. Wetting is complete. The surface tension of alcohol 0.02 Newton per meter and density of alcohol rho 790 kg per meter cube. Column of alcohol is raised in the capillary tube of internal radius 0.6 mm. The lower meniscus of the column hangs from the bottom end of the tube. So match the height of the alcohol column given in 2. Just try to understand the question here. So we have two types of radius here. What are they? Internal and external. 2. Raised in the capillary tube of internal diameter 0.6. The lower meniscus of radius of curvature capital R. So you know already we have given formula to you. Is a straight question. So the difference in that levels rho GH should be equal to what is that? 2t into 1 upon small r minus 1 by capital R. 2t rho GH is equal to 2t into 1 upon small r minus 1 upon capital R. They ask you to find h. 2t by rho of g into 1 by r minus 1 by capital R. Put 1 by 1 and tally both. R given how much nana here? 0.6 mm given. So first number 1. Rho given 0.02. No. Density how much? 790 kg per meter cube. Surface tension T given 0.02 Newton per meter. Now G value, of course not specified, you can take G10, then no problem. Because 790, 10, then easy for you. Number 1, capital R equal to 3R. Number 2, capital R equal to R. Number 3, capital R equal to 4R. Number 4, R equal to 3R. Minus 3R. All cases you try to find. Minus 3R means it should be go down. Apply the each and every case in a given numerical. Then tally both 1 and 2 without any small mistake. Doing none other can find the value of what? H. Actually, we have only one part. So T equal to HR rho G by 2 into cos theta, rising liquid. So H equal to 2T upon R rho G into cos theta. But here not specified anything. So we should assume theta value should be equal to 0. Then H equal to 2T upon R rho G. Means for small angles, cos theta value should be neglected. Maybe angle of contact will be less than 20 degree, 15 degree something. Find the values in all. Question number 24. 2 questions only given. So test your luck on mention about them. Maybe they change the numbers. Maybe they change the numbers. The rest of same. Enana solving the alar. Asit, doing or not? Proceed. Tally Nana, if you don't know, maybe if they change any number here, then easy to calculate. Suppose 6 there, they give you 0.3, so we can do with a what half. If they give 1.2, 1.8, depend on the given value, we should follow the calculation. So try to do now. 4 questions. Match the following means 1 question, but you need to solve 4. Here you don't get any negative mark, only positive mark. If you correct, then you get positive. Otherwise, 0. No partial mark allotted to this. Match the following. Match the following single answer type questions, numericals, integer type questions, more than one option. You are in a all pattern. So definitely they help you a lot for JE and advance if you utilize. How much time you want to run? What my peoples are not good. For example, R equal to 3R, we can take H equal to T upon rho G into 1 by R minus 1 by 3R. So 4T upon 3 into R, because 3 minus 1 now. 2 2 are 4. T upon 4T upon rho G R. So 4 into T value how much now here? 0.02 into 10 power minus 2 upon 3 into R value 0.6 millimeter 10 power minus 4 into rho value is 790. You can take 800, no problem. 10. 1 and 2 cancel. 18, 800 you can take, cancel. 8 cancel. 1 by theta 0.33. What try people sir? Approximately calculate. 8 cancel. 0 0 cancel 0, 2 zeros 1. Then remaining how much? 18. 1 by 18 means 0 point 1 by 18. 8 5s are 90. So we have got R 5.5 approximately. See here, 790 I can take 8 into 10 power minus 2 by 18 into 800 into 10 into 10 power minus 4. 1, 2, 3 cancel. Remaining 10 power minus 1. Then 8 cancel. 1 by 8 means 0 0.0. 0.0. 5 times 8 5 are 90. Again 5 times into 10 power minus 1. So what can write? 5.5 into 10 power minus 2 minus 3 meter. So 5.5 millimeter. See, instead of your telling answer are given to you. Calculate, tally all. Then you get some practice on this. For example, minus 3i, you get positive. Positive means 4 will come. 4 means 4 2s are 8. Actually, here 8 there. Sorry, 4 into 2, 8. Here actually 4. 8 is 2. 2 into 5.5. Then approximately. Nearer values. Take them and find the answers accurately. Then after that, see the question number 25. There are options given. Check now yourself. Check the options. AR, BP, CS, DQ. AR, BP, CS, DQ. Now 25, last but not least. Of course, key also with you now. But I give you explanation about this, but you try and ask me a doubt. Adhesive, cohesive nature. Adhesive forces are between two different molecules or same molecule. Adhesive forces between the two different or same. Adhesive forces are between the two different molecules in a system or same molecules. Adhesive, cohesive. Shubhankar Sahu. Adhesive forces are between the two different materials or same material or molecules. Adhesive forces. If you remember, just say the exact, otherwise don't know, no problem. Now message comes to me only, don't worry, you send me. Previously I think you have got all. Now you send the answer, no problem. Very good. The attraction between the different molecules, acid, those are called as adhesive forces. Very nice. Cohesive means attraction between the molecules of same. Suppose for example water molecules, force between the molecules in the water, cohesive. If we add a sugar or any other, then the force between the water and the sugar called adhesive. But here is not required anything. They have given one is the atmosphere, one is the liquid. Seen here, the meniscus is a concave shape due to the adhesive forces should be greater than the what? Cohesive forces. Adhesive forces at A, outside and liquid. B means always be cohesive. At B, always be cohesive. Keep remember. So, but actually, the Q part, you see Q part. For example, you can take water. It will be rises like this. When dipped in the liquid, it rises. If you take mercury, for example, you can take mercury. It should be dipped in the liquid, like dipped in the liquid. When dipped in the liquid, it should be falls down like this. See now, you can calculate the forces B, A, here B, here A. You see here, FA should be greater than FB. Here, FB greater than FA. Here, pressure at A is greater than pressure at B. Here, pressure at B greater than pressure at A. According to that, you follow the procedure. This is for mercury. Because of here angle of contact will be greater than 90 degree, 135 almost for mercury. For water, theta less than 90 degree. For water, how much? 0 degree. Actually, that flat given, not flat, it comes like this. Then you can understand. If it is completely flat means FA equal to FB, not like this one. Got none diagrams, both conceptual important chances there, this type of question in the matrix and more than one option. Now you can calculate the options. Adhesive force greater than the cohesive forces A, B, BA. So not possible at Q or S. So possible only at P. So A goes to the B, PP. Then cohesive force greater than the adhesive. Where you consider the mercury, in all cases, the cohesive forces should be greater than the adhesive forces. Wherever you take, between our two hands, between two plates, or on plate, on hand, anywhere you can take, cohesive forces should be greater than the adhesive. Because of it always be in the convex shape. Always be in the convex shape. This is the concave meniscus, this is convex. This is the convex, this is concave. Wherever you consider the mercury, in all cases, adhesive forces should be greater than the, cohesive forces greater than the adhesive force. But in the case of concave, adhesive forces greater than the cohesive forces. You can apply inside cohesive, outside adhesive. And one more diagrams you see. This diagram given differently. Here B given, here A given. Here you see B. FB greater than FA here. The pressure difference should exist at equilibrium, otherwise it blasts both. And one more is there, on this position. Here also B, mercury, A, FB greater than FA. Don't confuse. Means force at B are coercive forces inside. Coercive forces inside coercive forces, and between this surface and outer molecules adhesive forces. So possible answers for 25. A goes to B goes to given no there, QRS. Just you see and ask me. Q, you can take diagram like this. RS is a common for mercury. Pressure at A greater than pressure at B. You have got only at the point position P only, but not in other. Then where is that? R. C goes to what? PRSA. Here also be there. Mercury. Pressure at A greater than the pressure at B. I have written reverse right here. Atmospheric pressure is greater than the internal pressure, then more pressure should be on this part. Instead of forces, the pressure will come. This plate can be tends to push down. This plate tends to push down. Then so we need to give a more pressure on the mercury drop between the two glass plates. What is this? Think about this. Think about this. If you have got any doubt, ask me. Coercive forces greater than the adhesive forces. But how could we give the pressure? Why should we write a PA greater than PB? That you can think, Nana, here. Forces, okay. But pressure value you can think. Pressure. Any other external things acting on the system? External pressure is there, one more, P atmospheric pressure plus adhesive forces. Atmospheric pressure should be greater than the internal, then force due to surface tension, that is a cohesive forces, develops the pressure. Last one, okay. For third one you can see, number C. Number C. If you keep between the two plates, the external pressure should act on the system due to the plates. So chances there to get a more pressure on the mercury drop. I think so that the PA should be greater than the PB. Atmospheric pressure and due to the weight of the glass plate, both acts on the system. And also here normal reaction should exist. Normal reaction exists between the plate and mercury drop, so that the maximum pressure exists on the mercury drop outside, not only for adhesive forces. Getting another point? Have we got this? Not down. So chances there due to the normal reactions and the pressure due to the what? Glass plate. Similarly here also. But here is the normal reaction upward. Mercury drop and glass plate, I think it does not wet the surface. It does not wet the surface, because of angle of contact value should be greater than 90 degree. Angle of contact should be greater than 90 degree, like this. Inside only, inside, don't somebody take outside, don't take the solid inside the liquid drop. This is the theta, greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree. Okay, Ranna? Any other things you people are doing? Share with me now, few minutes. If you are interested, try to do these questions. There are more than one option, not given more, really less. First case only given few questions. Already I gave you those things. Here, multiple answer type questions. Already I gave these questions. I taught in the classroom straightly. 20, 21, 22, 23. And the previous questions also have given to you. So, try to practice them. Chances there to get maybe one question, then good for you. Out of 4, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay. Any other things? Otherwise, thank you all.